Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a customer relationship management plan with HubSpot. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the CRM section on the main dashboard. Click on Settings found in the upper right corner. In the Settings menu, look for Objects and select Contacts. Here, you'll find options to customize your contact properties. Determine what information you want to collect from your customers. Add custom properties if needed by clicking Create Property. Next, move to the CRM Settings tab to configure your pipeline. Click on Sales and then choose Pipelines. Create a new pipeline by clicking the Add Pipeline button. Name your pipeline and define the stages of your sales process. Once your pipeline is set, navigate to Automations in the settings. Create a new workflow by selecting Create Workflow. Choose Start from Scratch to customize it to your needs. Set the triggers for your workflow based on customer engagement. Then, configure the actions that will occur when those triggers activate. Next, go to Reports in the main menu. Set up your custom reports to track the performance of your CRM. Select the metrics that matter most to your business goals. Finally, ensure your team is trained to use HubSpot effectively. Share your CRM plan and the steps to execute it with your team. Encourage ongoing feedback to continuously improve your CRM strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.